Can you survive without sleep for 2 weeks, and what happens to your mind? The truth is more shocking than you might expect. Your brain and body start to break down in surprising ways. Sleep deprivation research shows that staying awake for even 72 hours severely impairs your body and brain. The world record for voluntary sleep deprivation is about 11 days, but that experiment caused hallucinations, paranoia, and cognitive collapse. Beyond a few days, your risk of fatal accidents and immune failure skyrockets. Your body desperately needs sleep for repair and survival. So, surviving 2 weeks without sleep is virtually impossible without catastrophic consequences. After about 72 hours awake, your brain begins to malfunction severely. You may experience vivid hallucinations, confusion, and a breakdown in memory and decision-making. The brain's ability to process information collapses, emotional control weakens, and paranoia can set in. Sleep deprivation disrupts neurotransmitter balance, leading to these terrifying mental effects. The longer you stay awake, the deeper the cognitive impairment becomes. Beyond the mind, your body suffers physical deterioration. Your immune system becomes compromised, making you vulnerable to infections. Motor skills and coordination decline, increasing accident risk. Hormonal imbalances disrupt metabolism and appetite, often causing weight changes. Prolonged sleep loss can even trigger microsleeps, brief uncontrollable naps that pose dangers especially when driving or operating machinery. Sleep is not optional for your survival. During sleep, your brain removes toxic waste products like beta-amyloid, linked to Alzheimer's disease. It consolidates memories and resets neural pathways. Physically, your body repairs tissues and balances hormones. Without this nightly reset, your mind and body begin to break down rapidly. Sleep deprivation is a slow self-destruction on both mental and physical levels. So can you survive 2 weeks without sleep? The answer is no. Your mind and body begin to fail long before then. Sleep is vital for survival, mental clarity, and physical health. Next time you think of pulling an all-nighter, remember how essential sleep really is. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had. Surviving 2 weeks without sleep is beyond human limits. Your mind and body both suffer devastating damage, from hallucinations and memory loss to immune failure and motor decline. Sleep is a vital reset button for your brain and body. Without it, survival is impossible. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.